Thank you for signing up on Store Bounty. My name is Michael and I'll be walking through the dashboard to get started quickly. On the side nav here, you have the navigation to all the features available on Store Bounty. I will be walking through each of them shortly, but in the meantime, let's quickly check out under settings app modules. This is where you find all the modules available on Store Bounty. You can turn on or toggle off anyone you don't want that doesn't suit your business. If you find anything that you need more, you can reach out to us. If it doesn't suit in any way, you can reach out and let us know. But for now, these are the available modules that we have here, and as you turn them on and off, you will notice on the side nav here the more and more menus appear. So let's go back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, on this other side is where you have quick links to help you navigate through your store. This is the storefront where your customers can interact with your business and they can buy from you, and so quick action to copy. If you want to edit the storefront, how your storefront look, you can click on this button, edit storefront here, takes you to the editor. The QR code here allows anybody you give the QR code to, maybe you put it on your packaging material or your branding material like a t-shirt or any other thing you use for your marketing. Anyone can scan it and they come to your store to be able to interact with your business. You can download it as an image or PDF here on this side. Now to the center stage of the dashboard. Everything on Store Bounty is around items. Items represent your products, services, or the appointment you want people to engage you with. Things you want to offer to the customer. I'll be taking you deep dive to items on how to set up your items. That is where you get started. If you don't know what to do, just start with creating your item. Other features here are adding customers, want to manage sales or orders that people are placed with you. You want to upload images. Every store on Store Bounty will give you 2 gig free memory, so you can upload as many images as possible, then you reuse them later. You have appointment, you have create invoices, and you have create payment links. But any of this to be possible, the first thing you will need to do is to create items. So I'll be walking you through how to create items. Before we do that, let me show you that you can also get to items from the menu here. If you click on the menu side, click on items, it shows you all your items. This store already have 3 items, so I can navigate through. If I want to add more items, which is what we're going to do next, I click on add item. On the add item page is where action starts. Let me walk you through the item types that we have here. If you click on the item tab at the top, you see the list of item types that we have. We have physical items, digital products, services, subscription, events and tickets, and appointment and session booking. Depending on the item type you want to add, the form to be filled here will be different. In the next video, I'll be walking through each of the item types and what they represent.